Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the soothing world of chamomile, a tiny flower with big benefits. Whether you're sipping it in tea or using it in skincare, chamomile has been a natural remedy for centuries. So, grab a cozy blanket, maybe a cup of chamomile tea, and let's explore its properties, benefits, healing effects, and a few things to watch out for. Let's get started. What is chamomile? Chamomile is a daisy-like herb with delicate white petals and a sunny yellow center. It belongs to the Asteraceae family and comes in two main types, German chamomile and Roman chamomile. Both are packed with goodness, but German chamomile is the one most commonly used for its medicinal properties. You'll find chamomile in teas, essential oils, creams, and even supplements. Its soft, apple-like scent is instantly calming. No wonder it's been cherished since ancient times. Properties of chamomile. So, what makes chamomile so special? This little herb is loaded with bioactive compounds. It contains flavonoids, like apigenin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's also rich in terpenoids and essential oils, giving chamomile its relaxing aroma and therapeutic punch. These compounds work together to soothe the body and mind, making chamomile a go-to for both physical and emotional wellness. Benefits and healing effects. Chamomile is a superstar in natural healing. Here are some. First, chamomile is a champion for relaxation and sleep. Sipping chamomile tea before bed can help calm your nerves and promote restful sleep. Studies suggest that apigenin binds to receptors in your brain, reducing anxiety and helping you drift off naturally. If you struggle with insomnia, chamomile might just be your new best friend. Next, it's fantastic for digestion. Chamomile can ease bloating, gas, and indigestion. It relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, which can help with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. A warm cup of chamomile tea after a meal, pure bliss for your tummy. Chamomile also shines in skincare. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it great for soothing irritated skin, reducing redness, and even helping with acne. You'll find chamomile in creams, ointments, and face masks for conditions like eczema or minor burns. And don't forget its immune-boosting potential. Chamomile's antioxidants fight free radicals, supporting your body's defenses. Some studies even suggest it may reduce inflammation linked to chronic conditions like arthritis. From calming your mind to soothing your skin, chamomile is like a hug from nature. Contraindications, things to watch out for. Now, chamomile is generally safe, but there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you're allergic to plants in the Asteraceae family, like ragweed, daisies, or marigolds, you might be sensitive to chamomile. Watch for signs like itching, rash, or trouble breathing, and stop using it if you notice these. Also, chamomile can interact with certain medications. It has mild blood-thinning effects, so if you're on anticoagulants like warfarin, talk to your doctor before using chamomile regularly. The same goes for sedatives or medications for anxiety, as chamomile's calming effects could amplify them. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Check with a healthcare provider first, as chamomile's effects aren't fully studied in these cases. And while chamomile tea is gentle, drinking it in large amounts might cause drowsiness or, in rare cases, nausea. How to enjoy chamomile. Ready to bring chamomile into your life? It's super easy. Brew a cup of chamomile tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried flowers in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can also find chamomile essential oil for aromatherapy, or add a few drops to a warm bath for skincare. Look for chamomile-infused creams or make your own by mixing cooled chamomile tea with a gentle moisturizer. Final thoughts. Chamomile is a gentle yet powerful herb that's been soothing people for centuries. From better sleep to happier skin, its benefits are hard to beat. Just be mindful of allergies or medication interactions, and you're good to go. So, next time you need a little calm in your life, reach for chamomile, nature's way of saying, take it easy. What's your favorite way to use chamomile? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.